Good morning. I am going to show you today how to make a jewelweed juice that you can leave in the refrigerator and then also turn into ice cubes for the summer months when often we find ourselves confronted with bee stings, bug bites, poison ivy, poison oak, all kinds of skin rashes can happen in the summertime. So I'm going to show you how to do this. I made a video before, an old one, so I'm expecting this to be a much nicer version. Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Really glad you're here today. If you are new, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, and in fact, anybody comment down below. And also check out my description. My first link is for my link tree, which links to everything that is me, and that includes my newsletter, my books on Amazon, my home herbalist course, all kinds of stuff. Ordering from Mount Rose Herb if you need bulk herbs. It is early morning here, and I'm making breakfast, and at the same time I'm making some jewelweed juice, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. So here is the jewelweed plant. And I will have the Latin name typed here for you to see. This plant is really interesting. The stems are super juicy. It grows in wet areas, very wet areas. It is a hard plant to dry. Now, the leaves could be dried pretty effectively because they are a lot like your other leaf plants or leafy herbs. The jelly, juicy part is in the stem. Kind of like a big version of chickweed, in my opinion. So this plant is really soothing for skin issues, skin rashes, really wonderful. It pulls out of the ground super easy. Its roots are not very deep. They're more shallow. But this is what I want. I want the stems. I want to juice this up. I do not dry jewelweed. I usually just make a juice and then make ice cubes, keep them in my freezer. Now, I know people do salves and all kinds of sprays with jewelweed. But for me, it's more of a personal use, and I like to show people how to do it. I like to use this little chopper. I have 1 cup of torn up jewelweed and 1 cup of water, and I wanted to incorporate a lot of stem. So I have the leaves, but I really want the stems, and I'm just going to grind this up and then strain. I'm making a large jar of this for a friend, but then I'm also going to save some for myself and put in ice cube trays. So I have various size funnels and also strainers, and so I'm going to strain this juice into my jar, and I'm going to press the pulp and get as much of the liquid out of it as I can. Here's some of the pulp. It feels like really slimy, really soothing. So the point of this herb is it's very soothing to the skin. Drawing, but more soothing than drawing, whereas like plantain I would say is more of like a drawing herb. This is going to be soothing. Shh. Here is finished jewelweed juice. Nice beautiful green color. And finished jewelweed ice cubes. A little bit messy, but no big deal. They just pop out. You can let them melt directly on whatever skin is bothered and affected. Thank you.